answers are given the following questions. To correct the answer, first MCQ is the union of two non-collinear rays which have common endpoints is called. First option is an angle, second is a degree, a minute, third is a minute, and fourth one is a radian. What is the answer? Yes, Mashu.
Angle.
Sorry?
Angle. Angle.
Angle, yes. Angle. Why? Because degree and radian is unit to measure the angle and minute is equals to 16 seconds. So correct option is an angle. Good. Okay. The second one is the system of measure in which the angle is measured in radian is called. First option is CGS system. First option is CGS system. Second option is sexagesimal system. Third option is MKS system. And fourth one is circular system. What is the correct option? Sexagesimal system is to measure angle in degree, second, and minutes. And circular system to measure the angle in radian. So correct option is circular system. And the other two systems, CGS system and S system, is different from this system. So D is correct option. How we solve 20 degree equals to in minutes, 360 minutes, 630 minutes, and 1200 minutes, and 3600. I go on board and explain it how. We know that 1 minute equals to 1 degree equals to 60 minutes, and 20 minutes, 20 degree becomes 20 into 60 minutes, and we have 1200 minutes. So correct option is 1200 minutes. We have to solve and then answer this. Fourth one is 3 pi by 4 radian. How we solve the 3 pi by 4 radian into degree? 3 pi by 4 radian can be written as 3 pi by 4 into 180 by pi. Pi cancel with pi, and we have 3 by 4 into 180. 445, and when it multiplied by 3, we have 135 degrees. So the correct option is 135 degree. And tan theta is equal to square root 3, then theta equals to 90 degree, 45, 60, or 30. We take help from this table, and we know that tan 30 equals to 1 by square root 3, tan 45 1, and tan 60 is equal to square root 3. So correct option is 60 degree. The correct option is 60 degree. The other two option is wrong. So three options are wrong. So correct option is 60 degree. Secant square theta equals to 1 minus sin square theta, or 1 plus tan square theta, or 1 plus cos square theta, or 1 plus tan square theta. We take help from here. We know that 1 plus tan square theta is equal to secant square of theta. How? To explain this, we know that sin square theta plus cos square theta equals to 1. When we divide sin square plus cos square theta equals to 1 by cos square theta, we have sin square by cos square equals to tan. This becomes tan, this becomes 1, and this becomes secant square theta. So we have 1 plus tan square theta equals to secant square of theta. Is it clear to everyone? Is it clear to everyone? So correct
Yes,
option
sir.
is 1 plus tan square of theta. So any student of you can tell me what is the correct option of 1 by 1 plus sine theta plus 1 by 1 minus sine theta. Please open your notebook and solve and then answer me what is the correct option. Quickly. Yes, what is the answer?
Sir, 2 secant square.
Good. The answer is 2 secant square of theta. How? Look at the board or your screen.
Also,
We have first take LCM 1 plus sine theta into 1 minus sine theta, and on numerator we have 1 minus sine theta plus 1 plus sine theta. Sine theta cancel with sine theta and 1 plus 1 become 2, and we know that 1 minus sine square theta is equal to cos square theta, and 2 by cos square theta is equal to 2 secant theta, because 1 by cos theta is equal to secant theta. Clear? Which is the word?
yes, sir.
Okay, good. Okay, now tell me the answer of this one. Open your notebook and solve 1 by 2 cosecant 45 degree. Cosecant means the reciprocal of sine theta, and sine 45 mean 1 by square root 2. Please solve and answer me.
Sir, 1 by 2.
1 by square root 2. Good. Who told me the answer? Malik Hussain Ahmed. Good, shabash.
Muhammad
How?
Khan.
Okay, Muhammad Khan. Good, shabash. Muhammad Hussain, any question? You have raised your hand. Malik Hussain Ahmed, any question? Okay. Good, Muhammad Khan. How can we solve this? 1 by 2 cosecant 45 mean 1 by 2 sine 45. 1 by 2 sine 45 mean 1 by square root 2. And we know that in class 9, chapter number 2, 2 by square root 2 becomes 1 by square root 2. Or square root 2 by 2 becomes 1 by square root 2. Good. Now tell me the answer of secant theta into cot theta. What is the answer? Yes, what is the answer of secant theta, cot theta? It becomes 1 by sine of theta. 1 by sine of theta. Yes, Malik Hussain Ahmed. How? Secant theta dot cot theta can be written as cos by sine theta. Cos cancel with cos, and we have 1 by sine theta. So it's our option C is correct option. And last one is cosecant square theta minus cot square theta equals to what? It becomes 1. How? Look at here on your screen. Cosecant square theta can be written as cosecant square theta minus cot square theta. We know that 1 plus cot square theta equals to cosecant square theta, and 1 equals to cosecant square theta minus cos square theta. How? We know that sin square theta plus cos square theta equals to 1k. Divide the identity by sin square theta. We have sin square cancel with sin square theta 1 plus cos by sin square becomes cos square theta, and 1 by sin square is equal to cosecant square theta. Is it clear to everyone? Is it clear to everyone? Yes, students? Okay, good. Malik Hussain, any question? May SMS if your mic is not working. Okay, good. Third question is fill in the blanks. Pi radian equals to degree. What is the correct option? Yes. Pi radian equals to degree. It becomes 180 degree. How? 180 degree. We know that pi radian equals to, pi radian can be converted into degree by multiplying it by 180 by pi. Pi cancel with pi and we have left with 180 degree. So pi radian equals to 180 degree. And the terminal side of the angle 235 lies in which quadrant? We know that any student can tell me in which quadrant 235 degree lies. Yes.
Third.
No. Yes, good. It's not 180, it's 360. This is 0 degree and this is good. In third quadrant, so correct option is third quadrant. Terminal side of the angle minus 30 degree lies in, and we know that this is 0 degree and this is minus 90 degree, this is minus 180 degree. When we rotate clockwise, we have minus 270 degree and then we have minus 360 degree. According to this, the minus 30 degree must lies in fourth quadrant. So option is fourth quadrant. Area of circular sector is, what is the area of circular sector? It's your you have studied in 7.3 that area of sector is equal to 1 by 2 r square of theta. This is the formula of area of sector. By using this formula, we have to solve our next part, which is 5. So 5 part is solved over here. R equals to 2 centimeter, theta is equal to 3 radian, and area of circular sector equals to 1 by 2 r square theta. Replace the value of r equals to 2, square of 2 is 4, 2 cancel with 4, we have 2, 2 multiplied by 3, we have 6 centimeter square, because unit of area is square of unit. So here we have radius in centimeter, so answer is 6 centimeter square. Is it clear to everyone? Okay. Now next is the general form of angle 480 is, general form, how can we write 480 as, we may write 480 as 360 plus 120, or we may write 2k pi equals to 120 degree and k equals to 1. In this we have k equals to 1. So 480 can be written as 2k pi plus 120 or 360 degree plus 120. Both answer is correct. It's up to you. Okay. Next, we have sine theta is equal to 1 by 2. Then theta equals to what? So we take the help from the table, and we know that sine 30 is equal to 1 by 2, sine 45 is equal to 1 by square root 2, and sine 60 is equal to square root 3 by 2. So for what angle we have sine, for what angle of sine we have 1 by 2? So answer is 30 degree, because when we take sine of 30 degree we have 1 by 2 answer. So angle is 30 degree. Here we have 30 degree. Next, what is next? If theta is equal to 300, then secant minus 300. Just use calculator and you get your answer. With the help of calculator, you have use calculator, and secant 300 can be written as 1 by cos 300, and cos 300 mean, or secant 60. Secant 60. Cos 60 mean 1 by square root 2, and it becomes 2. The answer is 2. Answer is 2. Okay. Now, second last 1 plus cos square theta equals to what? You know that 1 plus cos square is equal to cosecant square theta. How? By using the previous identity. I explain it. 1 plus cos square theta equals to cosecant square theta. We know that sin square theta plus cos square theta equals to 1, and when we divide it by cos square theta, cos, not cos square theta, by sin square of theta, sin square theta by sin square theta by sin square theta, cancel, we have 1 plus cot square theta equals to cosecant square theta. So 1 plus cot square is equal to cosecant square theta. So last one is secant theta minus tan theta. What is secant theta minus tan theta? Secant theta minus tan theta can be solved as 1 by cos theta, sin by cos theta, and by taking LCM we have 1 minus sin theta by cos of theta.